welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is a new series that I'm doing. So it is called Sample Saturday. So in most orders you get some sample sized products and I have quite a collection of them at the moment, so I want to start getting through them. So I thought what best to do these on camera and show you guys what I think of the products as I sample them. And then I am using them constantly as well. So today it's quite early in the morning. I've washed my face, I've brushed my hair, but that's all I've done. I haven't even had a coffee yet. So today's first sample, or this week's first sample, is the Drunk Elephant Whipped Rescue Cream, Airy Whipped Rescue Cream. So I actually have two samples of these. So I've been wanting to try it for a while now, so I'm going to try it today instead of my Dermalogica moisturizer. I'm going to use this as my moisturizer for before my makeup. So let me open this up. So I'm just doing this nice and early so it has a chance to settle into my skin nicely. So then whilst I do my coffee and everything, and then I'll come back, and I'm actually filming a makeup video today as well. So I will come back and I'll be doing my makeup. And what I might do is I might check in later in the day and let you know if it did anything to my makeup, whether my makeup was all good or not. So I've just opened it up, so it's got a little bit in there. I'm just going to squeeze it out. Alright, that's the complete packet. So it is like a creamy texture. It was almost like whipped cream in there. So far it feels quite thick. Alright, so I've just rubbed all of that in. I can definitely feel it on my skin, so I'm not a fan of that part. With my Dermalogica, it's nice and light, so I don't really feel it when I'm putting it on. But I can feel this one, so not a fan of that part. Okay, so it's targeted for tired, dry, and dehydrated skin. So let's see what happens. My skin is very tired today, so although my bags aren't that bad today, which is good. So let's see how it goes. So it's all soaking into my skin now. I can feel it like around my mouth and my nose and stuff, like really thick there. So yeah, I'm not a fan of that part. I can still feel it on my skin. So it's not like dried down or anything at the moment. All right, so I'm gonna go make a coffee, and I will be back and let you know how it feels after 15-20 minutes or so of it setting into my skin. Hey guys, okay, so it's been about 10-15 minutes now. I just played with my hair a little bit, put some hair lacquer in, and made a coffee, had a few sips, made some breakfast. So I thought I'd just check in quickly. I can still feel it on my skin, unfortunately. I don't like that feeling at all. I like the really light feeling, not this heavy cream. The heavy cream is all right for like nighttime, because then it's really doing its work overnight, but for before makeup I don't like heavy moisturizer, so not a fan of this one, unfortunately. If you do have dry skin, no, it would probably work fantastic. My skin is combination, so at the moment I don't have any dry patches. It's pretty normal. I've only got like a little lump here. Otherwise my skin is pretty perfect at the moment, thank goodness. So yeah, it's not one for me, but yeah, for dry skin I can definitely see it working for people who have dry skin. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button down below, and don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys.